This video is about how to use graphing calculator to do binomial distribution. Look at the example. Records show that 6% of the items sampled on a production line are faulty. A random sample of 12 items is selected with a replacement. Find the probability that A. None will be faulty. According to the given information, we know this will be binomial distribution because the possible outcomes will be two types. One is faulty, the other is not faulty. Then we already figure out this n equals 12 and p equals 0.06. Then we go to graphing calculator. Now we go to second variables. Here's a distribution. Then use this upper arrow. Here's a binomial A. So move the arrow up. Go to A, enter. Trials, that will be n, 12. Probability, that's 0.06. The x value, none will be faulty. That means x equals 0. Then enter, enter. This will be your answer, 0.476. That's for A. Now let's go to B. At most, one will be faulty, which means we are looking for probability x less than or equals to 1. Therefore, we still go back to this distribution. Upper arrow, go to this binomial CDF this time. Then enter. This will be 12. This will be 0.06. X value will be 1. Because we're looking for x less than or equals to 1. So enter. This will be your answer, 0.840. Let's go to C. At least 2 will be faulty. We are looking for probability when x greater than or equals to 2. You cannot get the answer from graphing calculator directly. You have to turn it into x less than or equals to. Remember, this is greater than equals to 2, which means 1 minus probability x less or equals to, this is 1, not 2. Be careful for this part. This is 1. For here is 2. Therefore, we go to distribution. Still binomial CDF. 12, 0.06. We need to put 1. Enter. Then use 1 minus previous one. That will be your answer, 0.160. That's for C. For D, less than 4 will be faulty. Less than 4 means x less than or equals to 3. Yeah, less than equals to 3. Therefore, we go to distribution. Then enter. This will be 3. Then enter. Enter. You will get 0.996. When you're working on binomial distribution, the words like at most and at least, less than, more than, it will make a difference to the solution. So you have to be very careful. Your graphing calculator, when they do binomial CDF, is deal with x less than or equals to, like this. X less than or equals to, you can get the direct answer. The other binomial CDF, you have to change into probability x less than or equal to. Let's go to another example. A fair corn is toasted 200 times. Find the probability that A, between 90 and 110 inclusive heads turns up. We know this will be binomial distribution. We got the n equals 200, p equals 0.5 because this is a fair course, which means the probability for the head turn up will be 0.5. Therefore, for the probability x between 90 and 110 inclusive, we can write down probability x less than or equals to 110 minus probability x less than or equals to 89. It's not 90. So we go to second variables. Go to this CDF, enter. This will be 200. Probability will be 0.5. The x value, we put the 110 first. Enter. Then we're working on this enter. Change this 110 into 89. Then enter. So using this minus this one, your answer will be 0.863. Let's go to this B. More than 95 but less than 105 has turned up. We can write down probability. The x will be between 95 and 105, not inclusive. Then we can write down inclusive way will be like this. X is greater than equals to 96, less than equals to 104. Therefore, we can do the probability x less than or equal to 104 minus probability x less than or equals to 95. Now let's go to this graphing calculator. Second distribution, upper arrow go to binomial CDF. We have 200, then 0.5. N will be 104. Then we plug in 95 this time. Yeah, change this 95. Your answer will be 0.476.